Okay, we had a customer call us out to take a look at his mower with a no start issue, and we come out. I didn't show you everything that we did because this one was a booger to work on. We started with basic checks. We checked fuel, fire, and compression. It had all three. I tore the engine down and checked the flywheel key. The flywheel key was good. We got into it, deep into it, and I found electrical wires were loose on it. I cleaned everything up, tightened everything back up, and it seemed to have taken care of the problem. It fires up now with little hesitation. Runs really well, so I think that the customer will be happy. We replaced the spark plugs in it. It had an intermittent spark, and once we got into it, that was the problem as to why it was doing that, because of the electrical issue. Electrical issues can be a pain in the butt sometimes to track down. We got lucky on this one and found it fairly quickly, but everything seems to be good to go. If you like our videos, like and subscribe. Thank you.